56% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency without going into debt. That means if their car breaks down, their phone dies, or they get a surprise medical bill, they're reaching for a credit card at 24% interest. This is why your emergency fund comes before investing. You cannot build wealth on an unstable foundation. Here's exactly how to build your first $1,000 emergency fund. Fast, even on a tight income. Find your actual number. Before you save $1, know exactly what you're saving toward. Add up your essential monthly expenses: rent, food, utilities, transport, minimum debt payments. That total is your monthly baseline. Your full emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of that number. But for right now, your only goal is $1,000. That single buffer prevents most financial emergencies from becoming financial disasters. Write that number down. $1,000. That's the target. Everything else comes after. Open a high-yield savings account. Do not keep your emergency fund in your regular checking account. It will get spent. Open a separate high-yield savings account, or HYSA. These accounts pay 4 to 5% interest annually, meaning your $1,000 actually grows while it sits there. A regular savings account at a big bank pays around 0.01%. That's not a typo. The best options right now in the USA. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, no fees, no minimum, consistently high rates. Ali Bank, great app, easy transfers, strong rate, SoFi, high rate plus sign-up bonuses for new members. All three are FDIC insured. Your money is protected up to $250,000. Links to all three are in the description. Takes 5 minutes to open. Do it before you go to sleep tonight. Cut one thing for 30 days. Just one thing, not a complete lifestyle overhaul. One thing. Cancel one subscription. Skip the daily coffee shop run. Cook at home for 30 days instead of ordering delivery. The average American spends $300 a month on subscriptions and food delivery they barely use. Cutting just one of those for 30 days puts $50 to $150 directly into your emergency fund without changing anything else about your life. One cut, 30 days. Repeat until you hit $1,000. Automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your HYSA on every payday. Even $25 per paycheck adds up. $25 biweekly is $650 a year. $50 biweekly is $1,300. You hit $1,000 in under a year without thinking about it once. The key word is automatic. When saving is manual, life gets in the way. When it's automatic, it happens whether you remember or not. Set it up today, pick an amount that won't hurt, start there, stack it with extra income. If you want to hit $1,000 fast, not in a year, but in 30 to 60 days, you need extra income on top of your cuts. Here are 3 ways that actually work for most Americans right now. 1. Sell things you don't use. Go through your home. List anything unused on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Most people have $200 to $500 sitting in stuff they forgot they owned. 2. Pick up one extra shift or a weekend gig. DoorDash, Uber, TaskRabbit, flexible, immediate, cash in hand. 3. Offer a skill to people you know. Lawn care, cleaning, tutoring, graphic design, social media help. One client, one weekend, $100 to $300 straight into the emergency fund. Every dollar of extra income goes directly to the fund. Nothing else. Hit $1,000 first, then reward yourself. Once you hit $1,000, keep it there. Don't touch it. That's your floor. Now you can start investing. Open your Roth IRA, set up automatic contributions to an index fund, and work toward growing your emergency fund to 3 to 6 months of expenses over time. The $1,000 is the foundation everything else is built on. With it, a bad month is an inconvenience. Without it, a bad month is a crisis. Your action plan. 5 steps. Find your number. Open a high-yield savings account. Cut one thing, automate it, stack with extra income. $1,000. Done. Watch my videos on investing and index funds. That's your next step once this fund is built. Like and comment which topic you want me to cover next. Subscribe. See you in the next one.